Alright, hello everybody. Today is one more episode about our nice Honda Civic. Probably that will be the last one where we do body pedal repair. Done, yeah. But today we need to fix that guy, rear bumper. First of all, what we need to do is to remove those side trims. I already removed them, but it's pretty easy. You have a few screws in that area, one clip under the bottom, and then you just pop it off, and that's all. Yeah, nothing else, etc. Now we need to remove our bumper. There are one screw on each side in this area, one clips, and some clips under the bottom. Yeah, that's our bumper bottom trim. Yeah, so what we need to remove? We need to remove those two clips that hold a wheel locker. Yeah. What else? So those two, and that one is missing. Let me show another side. So we need to remove that one, yeah, and also that two. All right. So now our bumper is pretty movable, and we can start to unlock it. It's clipped on that all over that edge, so we need to pull it. Now, both sides are free, bottom is free. The only thing that holds our bumper is 4 bolts here. So 2 of them are hidden under those plastic covers. Just gently remove them, they are very easy to remove, you know, just like that. Now we can start to take it off. But remember, we have a parking sensor, so there will be a connector that we need to disconnect. So don't be too far. And why it's not moving? Something still holds it. What the hell that could be? I already unlatched one side. Yeah, you see those 2 pins. Yeah, just take your hook. Yeah, and stick it in, yeah, and pry it in that area, yeah, so it can unhook itself and could move. All right. Now that I removed, unclipped both sides in that area, top one, we can gently move the bumper, and just like that, your bumper is completely removed. Yeah. About wiring, that's an ultrasonic sensors connector, and this one is for tail fog light. Yeah, don't forget to remove them, or you can damage the connectors. You know. All right, boys. So I washed our bumper. There are some scratches like on that edge. We just need to sand them, prime them, and paint them. You know, we don't even need body filler to do that. There's only one spot where we have, you see, like a crease. That should not be there. We should have a flat surface like here. How that happened? It's very classic story, you know, small bump in the back, maybe just reversing into something, yeah. That caused pressure on the bumper and caused plastic to bend in that area. But we need to hit that and push it down, yeah, to make a flat surface as it should be. Then we will sand it, prime it, sand it once more, and paint it. You know, that's basically the plan. So let's warm up it until it's very hot. I mean, like not burning hot, but like you should feel that it's like, I don't know, maybe 60 degrees, you know, on the surface. We need to press on that area where we have that crease, yeah. Not near, but straight into that crease. Yeah, I need a bit more. Now I will let it cool down, and I will sand it starting with like 120 sandpaper, yeah, just to quickly cut that defect, you know. Then 240, 320, and prime it with a primer. Okay, as you can see, in this area there are no signs of that crease anymore. Yeah, unfortunately there are few low spots, you see, where the paint left. Yeah, I will send them to a bare plastic and we'll apply a bit of body filler. Yeah, that's not a big deal. Okay, let me show you something unexpected. I don't know if you remember, there was a tiny, like a scratch here. Yeah, like a tiny, like, you know, like a clear coat crack. Let me show you what I actually found and why it's so important to sand down all the cracks to bare plastic. You know, eventually appeared that it's cracking in plastic. Let's just weld it, and that's all. You know, I'm starting to heat up rod and the body itself. Just we should start before the crack starts, like for example from that. Yeah, and heat it up really well. You will see how plastic changes its color, became like shiny, you know, and that's it. It already sticked. Now apply more heat on the rod and start like gently pushing it in. You know, you will feel how rod starts to go in. Don't try to force it, you know, just slight tension, heat, and go. And like that, yeah, and it will go easy and smooth. And just like that, you see. By the way, why small air output? Because I want to keep that area tight. Yeah, I don't want to melt any extra material, etc. I just want to feel the crack, and that's all. It's tiny one. Use a tungsten bit. Remove all that extra material. Now I will apply body filler on all those areas. Alright boys, I've actually already sanded it and primed that. I didn't really need that additional layer of body filler. Just sanded it down with 240s and C20 and primed it. And we are ready to paint. I will clean this area and we will start painting. All right, fellas, it's painted. I already put everything back together, like rear tail light, you know, that bottom skirt, and time to put it back on the car. That's basically it. Yeah, installing the bumper is, as you see, it's fairly simple procedure. It looks awesome. Let me just close the lid. What do you think? I think it looks, yeah, obviously that part is already a bit dusty because it was outside, yeah, but I think it looks great. Yeah, so guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Hit bell, subscribe, leave a comment. I don't know, I will appreciate some feedback, you know, and see you next time.